With the things I do, there are two things that really excite me. Firstly is the solar car project that I'm working on. So basically, I designed the electronics of a solar car that's designed to travel 3,000 kilometers across Australia. We're planning to do that in 2019. And the other project that I'm working on is for my master's degree. It's basically a small self-driving car, and it uses a camera to get information from the environment, and then there's a Raspberry Pi as the main processor that makes the decisions to drive the car and navigate around the track. So in my solar car project, I had the responsibility to integrate different electronics from different manufacturers, and one of the biggest challenges was to learn a industry standard protocol called the controller area network. And through research and a lot of trial and error and hard work, I was able to use a microcontroller to do that controller area network protocol and communicate with the devices within the vehicle. And I think because it's an industry standard technique, me as a student doing that on my own, it was really a proud moment. There's a thing that we call Hello World, and that's the moment that you know that for example, your project is working. So my CAN Hello World was when I had two microcontrollers. One was connected to a temperature sensor, and the other one is a receiver that displays the information on an LCD. So when I got the information from one microcontroller to the other using the protocol, and that temperature being displayed, that was really the hello world moment for me, and I knew that it was working. I really want to write a book that's supplemented with for example, a website that I put almost everything that I learned through my programming experience of using microcontrollers. So it's basically microcontrollers for younger students or children to get them into the programming world, but also into hardware. So I think that's one way that I can contribute. And it's not every day that I get the opportunity to meet people that run companies, but is also related to my field. So it was absolutely amazing to be here today.